In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Kanye!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass if you're back and you're ready for another set of DIYs. So in today's projects, I am going to be creating some chic Christmas holiday decor using stuff found at the dollar store. So if you want to see how these projects turn out, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. So first up are these potpourri filled ornaments. I grabbed a bag of potpourri from the dollar store and I'm filling these clear plastic ornaments with some of the smaller pieces in the bag. I'm using the rest of this black velvet ribbon that I've used in a previous project, and I'm going to be using this as the hook for the ornament. I'm just feeding the ribbon through the hole at the top of the ornament and tying it with a knot at the end. The next DIY, I grabbed these wine glasses from the dollar store to create some monogram wine glasses. So I'm going to be using the same materials that I used to create some monogram ornaments, and I'm going to be using these stick-on stencils and some etching cream to create my monogram. And so I'm just starting with my first letter and getting it positioned where I want it to go, and then I'm going to start dabbing on some of the etching cream. And then after I let the cream set for a little bit, then I'm just rinsing all of it off. And then when I peeled it off, I still noticed that I had a little bit of cream that looks like it's still didn't get rinsed off all the way. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with my second letter, and then I'm just going to let that sit and then rinse it off again. And I noticed that the first time that I did this technique, when I did it on some ornaments, I don't know if it was because the glass was thinner, but it was really hard for you to kind of see the monogram or the etching effect. But I'm noticing with this glass being thicker that you can kind of notice it a little bit better. So I don't know if that makes a difference with the type of glass that you use for the etching cream. And I started working on the other glass with the monogram letters while I was working on the other glass to finish setting. For the next piece of the decor, I'm going to be converting this Halloween decor bowl, and I'm going to be turning it into a higher end looking wavy chrome metallic bowl. So the first step is to cover up this spiderweb print, and so I'm getting it coated with a couple of coats of white paint on the outside and the inside, and I wish I had some chalk paint so that it would take less coats, but I'm just using what I have, so I'm just getting it completely covered. And the last step is to add this chrome metallic spray paint to the inside and the outside. And for these decor pieces, I'm going to be tying everything together, and I'm going to be creating some two-toned tin decor boxes. And so I'm going to be spray painting the top or the lids the chrome metallic color, and then I'm going to be spray painting the bottoms a gold metallic color. for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell to see what I'm crafting next.